Now the elephants have realized that these human food, whatever people eat, are more tastier. Sometimes they stay across the road. No vehicle can pass without giving them or offering them food. They have become so dependent on human food, and they have basically come to a situation where they keep demanding food from people. We did not see this years ago, but this is a new development. Most animals eat for hunger, but it is very strange to notice that even if elephants are possibly hungry, they do not retreat back to the wild. Even if there is food in the jungle, they keep begging. When they become sexually matured anyway, they go out of the herd, they keep looking for other mates, other herds, other females. Sometimes the males will have to fight several other males before he gets access to the female. Therefore, these males probably don't even go and breed themselves. They prefer to eat. Now we know for sure that elephants keep learning from their seniors. So there is all reasons to believe that the adolescents will follow their forefathers and they'll learn from the adults, they'll keep coming.